Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Advanced Filter Sort to filter records in Microsoft Access. This is an incredibly useful feature when you're working with large databases and need to organize your data in a specific way, making it much easier to find exactly what you're looking for. First things first, you'll need to start by opening your Microsoft Access app. Once you've launched the application, go ahead and load into your database. This step is essential because you need to have your data ready and accessible before you can apply any filtering or sorting operations to it. Once the software has fully loaded along with your data, you're ready to begin the filtering process. Direct your attention to the top part of your screen where you'll see several tabs. Click on the Create tab. This is your command center where all the tools you need for building and modifying database objects are located. From here, you'll want to look for the Form option and click on it. Creating a form is a necessary step because it provides you with the interface through which you can view and manipulate your records effectively. After your form is created, you'll notice it appears on your screen with your database records displayed. Now comes the key part of using Advanced Filter Sort to filter records. Look towards the top of your screen again and click on the Home tab. This tab contains various options for working with your data, including filtering tools that are crucial for what we're trying to accomplish. In the Home tab, locate the Filter section. Within this section, you'll see a button labeled Advanced. Click on the Advanced drop-down menu, which will present you with several filtering options. From this drop-down, select Advanced Filter/Sort. This action will open up a query design grid on your screen, which is where the magic happens. This grid is your workspace for setting up exactly how you want your records to be filtered and sorted. Now that the query design grid is visible, you can start customizing your filter. Simply add in all the fields you wish to use for advanced filtering or sorting. You can do this by selecting fields from your table and dragging them into the grid, or by using the drop-down selectors in each column. Once you've added your desired fields, take a look at the Sort column within the grid. Here's where you specify how you want your data organized. Click on the drop-down selector in the Sort column and choose whether you want to use an ascending or descending type of sorting. Ascending will arrange your data from lowest to highest, or A to Z, while descending does the opposite. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Advanced Filter Sort in Microsoft Access, giving you complete control over how your database records are displayed and organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.